Dispelling the mist. Understanding a unique English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, dispel the mist. This is a metaphorical phrase that can really add depth to your English conversations. Let's dive in and clear up any confusion. Dispelling the mist is an idiomatic expression in English. To dispel means to make something disappear or become less noticeable. A mist is a cloud of tiny water droplets in the air, which can make it hard to see. So, when you dispel the mist, you are metaphorically clearing away confusion or misunderstanding, just like how wind clears the mist in nature. This phrase is often used to talk about clarifying a complicated or unclear situation. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, let's dispel the mist around this project's objectives to ensure everyone understands. 2. In education, this lesson aims to dispel the mist surrounding the concept of photosynthesis. 3. Personal context. Talking openly about our issues helped dispel the mist in our relationship. Using the phrase in different contexts shows your grasp of metaphorical language, a key aspect of fluency in English. Using phrases like dispel the mist makes your English more vivid and expressive. It shows that you can use language creatively and understand abstract concepts. This is especially important for advanced English learners looking to sound more like native speakers. We hope this video has helped dispel any mist surrounding this interesting English phrase. Remember, using idiomatic expressions can add color and depth to your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use dispel the mist next time you need to clarify something. See you in our next video.